Ivan Fairhall, Managing Director of Pivotal Metals. Welcome back to mining.com.au. How are you?
I'm very well, thanks, Shay.
Let's take a deeper look at the Belleterre region today, where you have a couple of projects. Now, in particular, the Lorraine Project. I know when we go through some of the results, it does show that there is copper there, but I also can't help but notice there is high-grade gold showing in these results. Can you elaborate on what this is and why it's significant for the area?
Sure, yeah. Look, Lorraine's our largest project in the kind of Belleterre area. It's 15 kilometres by 10 kilometres. That's a pretty big area, and we've got lots of targets on that project. But really the reason it's called Lorraine is because it contains the past producing Lorraine mine. And the reason I think that people associate it with copper is because this was a mine that was mined for massive sulfide, copper, nickel, PGMs, gold. And so that is what anchored people's understanding of the region. But in fact, during the mining of that project was a very, very exciting gold target got developed. And so what they were doing is they were mining underground, doing their development, and they came across a very, very high grade gold system. So they developed, so underground development, they developed along a gold vein, 28 metres at 45 grams a tonne was channel sampled out of that. So that's serious grade and serious continuity along a strike of 28 metres. There was another zone that was about 10 metres. Local drilling around that from underground extended that continuity. There's a drill hole with an intersection of 1 metre at 56 grams a tonne gold. So really, really high grade gold system. And they never got the chance to mine it because the mine ended up shutting down, the sulfide mine. So a little bit of follow-up exploration on surface, 600 metres. The strike has been extended. There's a channel sample with that same type of copper gold quartz veining. So we've got some strike extent being delivered, and then recently Pivotal's really come out with quite an exciting development. Is we did some soil sampling, a big step out, and very high grade soil anomaly over a gram a tonne, which is highly anomalous for a gold soil sample, and that's now extended the kind of the corridor for gold exploration of 1.5 kilometres from the mine. So we've got a very high grade system. Got significant strike length, and it makes a really exciting gold target.
The Belleterre region is located near the famous Cadillac Break in Canada. Tell me, who else is looking in this region?
Well, we've got some of the biggest gold miners in the world operating in the Cadillac Break. Agnico is truly one of the best gold mining producers. They've got the heart of their entire gold production operation is in the Abitibi. A number of other groups all exploring, operating. There's multiple operating mines, and even in the Belleterre, which is just below the Abitibi, we've got a very high-profile neighbour. This is a TSX-listed company called Vior. This is a junior company who built a $50 million war chest to explore the project next door to us. They're doing 100,000 metres drilling for high-grade gold with their Belleterre gold mine. So it's a past-producing mine there, very, very high-grade. I think pushed nearly 1 million ounces at 11 grams a tonne. So this area has the potential to deliver serious mineralisation, and it's very nice to have well-financed neighbours looking for the same sort of stuff that we are.
It certainly is, Ivan. It does sound terribly exciting. I look forward to future updates. Thank you for being here.
Thanks, Shay.